Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Tiguan. It has the 2.0 TSI motor, and we're going to go over how you would check and add engine oil to this vehicle. So we have our dipstick here, oil level dipstick, and so what you're going to do, have your vehicle on as level surface as you can, and you pop the engine to get in here, or pop the hood to get in. We're going to pull out the dipstick, clean it, and then reinsert, and we want to make sure that our oil is in between the two indents. Sometimes they're dots or little hash marks is where we want it to be. So then we've cleaned it, then we're going to reinsert our dipstick, and we're going to pull it back out to see where our oil level is and that we are in between the two hash marks. Now, if you needed to add oil, this is your oil fill cap. This is on the right side of the engine. So you just twist this oil cap a quarter turn to the left or counterclockwise, be able to remove the cap, put a funnel, add some oil, and then check to make sure that you've added just enough oil and not too much, because if it's overfilled you can cause issues with your catalytic converter. Once you're done adding the oil, you'll want to make sure that you put this cap back on, tighten it a quarter turn to the right, and that is how you would add and check your oil on your Volkswagen Tiguan with the 2.0 TSI motor. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.